Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Wendy.
And today we are making a tea recipe inspired by Wendy's current favorite delicious summery tea.
So when I was in Hawaii a couple weeks ago, I went to a local coffee bean and tea leaf, and they had what they called a, what was it called? Let me think about it. It wasn't called a pineapple tea. It was called a plantation tea. And so it was a pineapple puree and cold brew Earl Grey tea.
Oh.
And it was the best thing I ever tasted in my entire life.
Texts about it.
I was like, it was so good. And you know, you guys, I love Starbucks, and they have a pineapple tea during the summertime, and this just blew that thing out of the water. It was delicious. So I come home all excited, go to my local coffee bean, and they don't have it there. It's only like a
island specific
thing apparently, but they have a couple of like fruit teas. They have a peach one, a raspberry one, and something else, and I have tried a mango. I've tried all of them, and peach is my favorite, and I've been spending lots of dollars every single day and driving over there because there's not one super close. I drive one like 2 towns over, and so I'm gonna make it today. I'm gonna try to.
Yes, Frugal Megan was like, we can DIY that peach puree because it's not just the tea. It's not like you can just buy the tea bags.
Right.
So we started with some cold brew green tea, and you guys, it's really easy to make cold brew tea. Dump a bunch of tea bags in some water, pop it in the fridge overnight.
I had no idea. I was like, do I have to like heat it up first and then cool it down? Like, how does that work?
Cold brew.
I didn't know that was like even.
Yes. Same thing as making cold brew coffee. It just takes longer for the flavors to infuse because it's cold. There's no hot that like pulls the flavors out right away.
Got it. So yes, this is a peach. No, it's not. This is a jasmine green tea that I made overnight
In the refrigerator.
in the refrigerator. And you know, it's not a sun tea where it's bringing bacteria, so
Wendy, don't get her started on her sun tea.
All right, what else do we have here?
So in the puree, we have 2 peaches sliced and ready to go, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of sugar.
I have 2 peaches here sliced, and these are actually frozen peaches that we defrosted because I didn't have peaches on hand. So let's see how that works. Tablespoon of lemon, right? Or a teaspoon?
A tablespoon. I would just
Squeeze
squeeze
it.
half a lemon directly in there. I would not bother. That's my personal thought.
Now a teaspoon of sugar.
Now, blend it all up.
Uh-oh.
Maybe we're using the immersion blender. So, take 2, we are transferring everything into the magic bullet because our immersion blender was not our friend.
Not working there.
Okay, so we are spooning a little bit of this puree into the glass. We'll pour the tea over it and then pour it over ice so that we can make sure that the puree gets mixed in with the tea.
Doesn't quite look the same, but it's pretty. I bet this does not turn out. I don't know.
So one difference between this is that Coffee Bean uses a peach jasmine tea bag, and whoops, this is just a jasmine tea that we'll have. That'll be. Cheers!
Cheers.
Wendy's nervous. How's that gonna be?
No, it doesn't taste. It sort of tastes like it. I taste more jasmine tea than anything.
I do too, and I think you probably need the peach jasmine base, but this is good and refreshing. I have nothing to compare it to, so I think it's good.
It's not as sweet as the coffee bean one, but it's not bad. To be honest, like I would totally drink this.
So keep in mind, this is an unsweetened tea.
Mm-hmm.
So this is actually really good.
Well, thanks. What about a super hack? Hold that thought. So last night when I was like looking for all the peach things, I was like, what about this organic peach mango baby food puree?
And it's probably peaches and mangoes.
It's peach and mango. and water and citric acid. So
You guys,
it's probably not as sweet though, right? Here. Hack away. Here.
How could it be not as sweet?
I don't know.
Because
we put in tablespoons.
it smells amazing.
Okay, let's try it. I mean, talk about real easy.
Oh, I just put it straight in.
Ah, it's like baby food.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do this. Taste the puree. I think the puree tastes good. Okay, I won't.
This puree?
Yeah.
Like
See, this definitely has the baby food undercurrent. Like whatever that like.
It
You know how when you make something in a crock pot, it all kind of tastes the same, like crock pot. That's like baby food. I just put it in mine too, though. It kind of sweetened it up a little bit.
It totally did.
Because there is some added sugar in here. There's 3 grams of added sugar.
This tastes closer to the original, actually, now.
I would just go straight to this because,
wow,
really, there's nothing. I mean, the work has been done for you.
I know. Save all the
And
steps.
because these are resealable, you could use it over.
Yeah.
It says serve within 24 hours. I think that's probably like a baby precaution. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, how bad could it be over a couple
freeze that?
days?
You could like freeze it into
Into
little
little ice cubes? Oh my goodness. Guys, I think we have discovered a winner. This is the Earth's Best Organic Peach Mango Baby Food Puree with your tea.
I actually think it's better with that. I really do. And now it's a peach mango. It's a peach mango tea.
It's delicious. I mean, I'm chugging it down.
I like it.
High five for accidental wins. We hope everyone's having a great summer. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video with us. You can find more from us on Instagram, and we'll see you in another video very soon. Before you leave, click the like button, subscribe, and come back for more.